Hello everyone. In this video, we're gonna show you that how you're gonna add or fix that if you have the DNS option is missing from the tools in Windows Server. So for an example, if you see that I've installed Windows Server 2016 here, if I go to Tools menu and I look for the DNS option, it's not available. It should be here somewhere because this is all in alphabetic order, should be around here, but that is missing. So in order to get the DNS option back to the list, we need to install that roles again separately. To add the roles, we need to go to the Manage option, click on Manage, click on Add Roles and Features. In this screen wizard, we just need to click on Next, Role-based or feature-based installation, yes, Next. This is our domain that we have selected already. Click Next. In the roles list, you will see here DNS Server. This is not checked, so just click on it and add features. Yes, click next, click next again. All right, we just need to click on next and just at last just click on an install button. It may take few seconds or a minute of time to get the feature installed on this machine. So let's wait for it. Alright, it says installation succeeded on this domain. So just click on close button. It is completed. Let's give a check. I'll go back to the tools menu and here we are. We got the DNS option here now. So we can go ahead and just check and configure as required. This is how you can fix the problem if you do not see the DNS option in the tools menu in your domain server or the directory. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.